Morning, this is the Kima Channel Man coming to you from a soggy Clear Lake, Texas. And we've just had about 8 inches of rain in the last 2 days and over 17 inches of rain in the last 2.5 weeks. So the water is like chocolate milk mud. It's not the best conditions for fishing, but when you have a situation like this, there's really 3 patterns you need to focus in on. One of them is a deep water pattern, where these fish will get out in deeper water to try to get away from the fresh water. So they'll get out there in 12 to 20 feet of water and suspend, because the salt water is heavier, so it will sink to the bottom and the fresh water will drift above it. The second pattern is to put a spinnerbait on and fish transition areas where it transitions from shallow rock to mud. Mud and not silt, because the mud will hold some of the salt and those fish will get right on the bottom and get that salt right off the bottom. The third pattern is to fish drains where the water's rushing in, and a lot of times the bait fish will be there, and so you can fish some of those drains and catch fish. But today we're going to start off with a spinnerbait. One other key when you're fishing a spinnerbait, you want to make sure you use a big blade, a Colorado, some rounded blade, Colorado or Indiana blade. And I also like to put a trailer, an orange trailer, because this water's muddy. They're not going to be able to see your bait very well, but this will give them something to key in on. We're going to give it a try. Let's see what happens.